the cabinet over the cabinet of God preserve the rule of the leaders. We are very appreciative. We have leaders. We God continue to support us. The Vice Chancellor of the university, we used to play football when we were very young, but now we cannot play football anymore. The guest lecturer, I am so happy to be here today. When he spoke about problems and solutions, I will direct my speech only to the students because we have the future well tomorrow. You can only make money only when you want to solve problems. When you try to solve problems, that is where the money is. Doing the same thing the same way will never lead you to any other results. I will give you an example of myself. I am the first black man to be inducted into Federation of Cocoa and Commerce in the world. Those class for me, it was resilience. We wanted to solve a problem. Why will Africa be producing cocoa and it will never be the people that represent the economy in the world? It was a struggle. But at the end of the day, it has brought benefit to the country, it has brought benefit to the entire West Africa. Cocoa has never been to the peak it reached since for 8 years. Our involvement there created that opportunity that spread across the entire West Africa. So we still can do the same thing. I am not going to take so much time because I have another place I'm going. I have told my colleague in the office to support the faculty with 20 million naira. So that the opportunity of this lecture, the opportunity of bringing people together to show them the road. We need to help ourselves. Our population is growing, land is not growing. Land is not giving birth to children. We need to be innovative. We need to feed all the mouth that God has created on this land. May God bless the university. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
Please make them do better for the chairman. Do we have the students of the College of Science here? Students at the College of Science, Engineering and Technology, can you please wave? You have just received a sum of how much? Can we please appreciate him? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm very sure the guest lecturer that has delivered this wonderful lecture, because my name is Adesoji, which means it's likely to be my father. In his name, I will announce another song. He's telling me I should go ahead. He's ready to do it. That's a blank check. Will you write it? The figure. How much will I put there? 200,000. We will fill in the gap as time goes by. We're going straight to the royal blessing. Ladies and gentlemen, with a standing ovation, please, a standing ovation as we invite.
When I was going through the program, I was going to sleep, period for royal blessing. I was wondering if many people like Professor Adesoji, with many PhDs, masters, this, and here am I, an ordinary pharmacist. I'm wondering what will I say. And what I'm able to gather from
ESG to improve the society. So I now told myself, okay, how will traditional rulers improve their community? For those who knew the story behind my ascension to the throne, I came in maybe about a month to the closing date because I was initially not interested. But with many people in our community pressurizing me, pleading that I should come, I can do my little best for the community of Ijeshaland. I eventually came in and then God made it to happen. So being that I was really ill-prepared, and outside now, what can I do for the community? So what I observed first, our youths are jobless, and they are into, some are into cultism, some are, in fact, I'm ashamed when I go to some places, they will say, when you are talking of 419 youths, they are partly from Ijeshaland. So I now think, what can I do? I used to blame our past governors that we have so much virgin greenland, and we are buying our food stuff from the north, tomato, almosa, pepper, everything. I used to wonder why I do not use the resources, give priority to farming in our western region. So I now said, well, okay, since I'm now in the forefront to perform, let me start my own criticism, addressing my criticism by acquiring plots of land, to do farming that will engage the youths, not just engaging them, making them entrepreneurial, in the process. In the farming and agriculture, you have planting, you have harvesting, and you have, to commercialize it and take it to stores and so on for purchases and sometimes export.